Hello friend, welcome to our YouTube channel. Uh, Today I'm going to show you how to fix iOS screen recording with sound. Sometime uh, if you if you record your screen on iOS device, sometime you can get sound, and some most of the time you cannot get sound, only video you can get. So today I will show you how to fix it. First of all, go to iMovie. I want to tell you here something. You need two application for this. First, iMovie, and second is Pocket Video. Pocket Video you can download from App Store. So I'm here in iMovie. I will make one video with photo or banner. I will make one small video using this photo. I'm making like okay, I'm making 2-minute video with this photo, and then I will export it on camera roll. It is exporting. This video that I made with photo, we will use on this screen recording videos background. Okay, now it is done. It is on camera roll. Here you can see this one. Now go to Pocket Video. This one, Pocket Video editing. It's like a video editing apps. It's like a video editing app. Click on plus icon. Now click on custom video and tap on landscape mode. Here also click on plus icon, click on camera roll, and from camera roll you just import that video. I am going to import that video I just made with photo. Now it is importing. It is imported. uh, after importing that after import that video background, on background you just tap on video sticker and click on add, then click on camera roll, go to camera roll and choose that screen recording video. Now it is imported. Click on this tick mark, yellow one. Here you can see, you can zoom in and zoom out. You can set on the screen like this. And you just tap on finish. Your video is rendering. It will take little time to render. And there is, you can see, there is many options. You can share it on You can share from here directly on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, message, and there is option to save to camera roll. Tap on it, and your video has been saved to your camera roll. Okay, and here you can see that I just made a video. साथीहरू आज हामी यो आइफोनको iOS
it is done.
डिभाइसको
So guys,
स्क्रिन रेकर्डिङ अथवा
I hope
हामीले ट्युटोरियल भिडियो बनाउँदा स्क्रिन
this
रेकर्ड
video
गर्छौँ।
will help you to
त्यो
fix
स्क्रिन रेकर्डिङ
your screen recording.
स्क्रिन रेकर्ड
Thank you
गरेपछि
for watching.
त्यसमा तपाईँ
Till
एडिट
then,
गर्नुको
जय
लागि
नेपाल।
iMovie मा त्यो फाइललाई